Hello everyone, my name is Amans. Are wrinkles, fine lines, or dull skin making you look older than your age? Today, I'm reviewing Kollagen Intensiv, a popular anti-aging collagen cream that claims to restore youthful, glowing skin naturally. But does it really work? Let's find out. As we age, our natural collagen production slows down. This leads to sagging skin, wrinkles, dryness, and loss of firmness. Most creams only moisturize the surface, but they don't fix the real problem, collagen loss. That's where Kollagen Intensiv comes in. Kollagen Intensiv is an advanced collagen renewal cream designed to support skin elasticity, reduce fine lines, and improve overall skin texture. It's made for both men and women who want visible anti-aging results without expensive treatments. This cream works by deeply nourishing the skin and supporting collagen renewal from within. When applied regularly, it helps improve skin firmness, smooth wrinkles, and enhance hydration, giving your skin a youthful and healthy appearance. Here are some key benefits users report. Heavy checkmark reduced wrinkles and fine lines. Heavy checkmark firmer, smoother skin. Heavy checkmark improved hydration and glow. Heavy checkmark lightweight, non-greasy formula. Heavy checkmark suitable for daily use. Many users notice visible improvement within a few weeks. Kollagen Intensiv is ideal for anyone struggling with aging skin, dryness, or loss of elasticity, especially if you want a simple, at-home skincare solution. So, if you're looking for a collagen cream that targets wrinkles and supports youthful skin, Kollagen Intensiv is definitely worth trying. Backhand index pointing right. Check the official website link below to see today's offers and discounts before it's gone.